sorry, I cannot give you now. I'm not Minister of Finance anymore, and I'm getting old. But I was recently asked a question, and I said, look, with our debt capacity payment this year, the priority in our budget, right, which is why we labeled it under the budget statutory payment. We first deduct the repayment for our debts, because in the debts you find the dignity of the leaders of this country infused in the debt. So we should never fail in our debt obligation. Then after meeting the debt liability, what is left is to meet the current expenditure to ensure that the government never stops. You know, in America, sometimes they close down shop because they run out of money. Here we make damn sure that the government should never be short.